Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is a session of English grade 2. Today we are going to do simple present tense. Just open page number 29. Okay, we have an exercise on the top, but first see this chart. Read the following chart and learn the use of verb. This is a simple present verb chart. Okay, where we have I, we, you, they, we are going to use first form of verb. Okay, and when we have he, she, or it, we are going to use s, add s in the end, es or ies. Okay, where it is for example, I sleep, we sleep, you sleep, they sleep, he sleeps, and she sleeps. Okay, I draw, we draw, you draw, they draw, he draws, and she draws. I bring, we bring, you bring, they bring, he and she brings. I, we, you, they jump, he and she jumps. Same as it is, we are going to do in I, we, you, they, simple for first form of verb, and here we are going to add with he, she, or it, we are going to add s, es, or ies. Now let's do the exercise. Write today's date, that is 16/9/2020, 16 September 2020. Fill in the blanks with the right choice. You are going to fill in the blank with the right choice. I dash a car every day. I drive a car. I drives. As I told you that with I, we, you, they, we are going to use first form of verb. So what will come here? I drive. I drive a car every day. Number 2, she dash a tree in the morning. She climbs or climb. She climbs. Okay. We dash for the bus. Waits or wait. Wait. He dash fruit in the market. Buy or buys. Buys. You dash cotton in summer. You wear or wears. Wear. They dash milk at night. Drink or drinks. Drink. He dash after the dog. Runs or run. Runs. She dash to catch the children. She dash to the children. She talk or talks. She talks. She dash the bell. Hits or hits. He dash from the tree. Falls or falls. Okay, so I, we, you, they, with them, we are going in simple present, we are going to use with we are going to use first form of verb with I, we, you, they, and he and she and it, we are going to add s, es, or ies. Okay, now move on to page number 30. The farmer. Okay, just see the picture. What you see in the picture, you see a man, a farmer, a little boy and cow, and the view of village. Okay, Bashir is a farmer. He works in the field. He pluck the field. He grow crops. He is not a very old man. He is strong and healthy. He has a daughter and son. He gets up in the morning. He goes to the mosque and say his prayer. He comes back and take his breakfast. He goes to the field. He start his work in the morning. His wife brings his lunch and at noon. His son is a student. He is in class 4 and his daughter is in class 3. His son helps him. He joins him after the school. They work together. They plug the field together. They eat their lunch together. They take rest after lunch. They go home in the evening. Okay, this is a passage about a Bashir. Bashir is a farmer and he plucked the field. He grow crops and he is not a very old man. He is strong and healthy. He get up in the morning and he go to the mosque and say his prayers. After that he came back to home and do his breakfast and go to the field and start his work. His wife bring the lunch in the afternoon or in the noon. His son is a student. He is in grade 4 or class 4 and his daughter is in Class 3. His son helped him and he joined his father after the school. They work together, they plug the field and they eat their lunch together. Okay? And they take rest after lunch and they came back home in the evening together. Okay? Now move on to page number 31. What you have to do, you are going to read this passage and fill in the blanks. Bashir is a farmer. He dashed in the fields. He worked in the fields. He dashed the fields. He plucked the fields. He dashed crops. He grows crops. He dashed in the morning. He gets up in the morning. He dashed to the mosque. He goes to the mosque and dash his prayers and says his prayer. His son helps him. He dash him after the school. He joins him after the school. They work together. They plug the field together. They eat their lunch together. They go home in the evening. Okay. Now write R for the right and write W and W for the wrong sentence. He starts his work in the morning. He starts his work in the morning. Yes, right. His wife bring his lunch at noon. Wrong, because there is no S in in brings. Okay. They plugs the field together. Wrong. They plug. The correct sentence is they plug. They eat their lunch together. Right. She brings his lunch at noon. Right. Okay. For today till here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.